start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do something with those 3D gels that I got. Glow in the dark 3D gels from Varnail. They're called Luminous 3D Pudding Gels. So we got a blue, a green, a yellow, a orange, a purple, a hot pink, a neon red and a normal red. And then we got a bluey purple. So they're all numbered 1 to 9. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch. Just wanted to see the colours and decide which ones I were going to use. So yeah, these are like a 3D gel. They kind of don't self-level. It was quite warm, so they were self-leveling slightly. But under normal temperatures, they don't self-level, not really. I really like them actually. And the only thing I could think of to do with them was lava lamp nails. I thought they'd be fantastic for that. So that is the colours there. I'll leave the link below to these and a discount code as well. I think I've got a massive 25% discount code, you know, guys. So I'm using clear stiletto easy tips from Glitter Planet, and I'm just using regular brush on nail glue, crazy glue, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, because I remember lava lamps, they were like pointed, weren't they, like a rocket kind of thing. So I'm just going to file where it's been glued on just to blend it into what would be the natural nail. And then I'm buffing off all that shiny surface. So I'm going to use Varnail base coat as well. I'm going to give these nails a quick coat of base coat and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Sorry about my dog there. So I'm using light pink polygel from SXC. This is going to get covered up anyway, so I just chose a polygel that I didn't mind wasting. I don't mind wasting a bit of SXC because they treated one of my friends a little bit shitty recently, so I thought, yeah, if I'm going to waste a polygel, let's waste an SXC one. It's a beautiful colour though, isn't it? So every nail is going to be the same, so I'm just going to show you 2, I think. So just doing what I normally do, getting it nice and tucked in at the cuticle area. Swipe down them side walls, and I'm literally just going to cut it off there. Get it as straight as you can now, and it will save you a lot of time when it comes to filing. Just nice and straight across. And I'm going to stick that in the lamp for a full minute, 60 seconds, so I don't bump it, bang it, smudge it, yada yada yada. And then I'm going to do the little bit on the bottom as well. So this is just, yeah, this is just the top and the bottom of the lava lamp. So I'm going to concentrate on getting the bottom of it all nice and neat first, nice to a point, and then I'll swipe across and get that nice and straight as well. I will speed it up slightly and show you doing just one more, but yeah, they're all going to be exactly the same. Right, so that is all the nails done. So I'm going to give them a quick file now. I'll just show you doing this one. So I'm just going to file them like I normally would. Up the sides, up and over, up and over. I always go up the side and then up over to the top, just to get the sides nice and rounded off. And then I'm filing over the top. And then I'm going to use a metal file and just file right across that line. And get it nice and crisp, nice and straight and neat. And yeah, I'll do the others off camera. So that's them all fouled. They've all been buffed as well. So I've decided to use green, blue, yellow and hot pink. So I'm going to base coat the inside of these lava lamps now, because obviously they've been buffed and fouled and they're a bit scratched up. I want these to be as clear as possible. So I'm going to base coat them and I'm going to leave the tacky layer on. They are going to be cured. I want that tacky layer for the polygel to stick to, not polygel. What is it? 3D gel. I wanted my lava to stick to them, so a base coat will help with that. So that base coat's going to get cured now for 30 seconds. Just use the detailer brush just to get it right in up against them side bits. So obviously I forgot to press record on the pink one, but I'm not showing you all of them anyway because they're pretty much the same. So I've just put a dollop and I'm just using a little detailer brush just to spread it out and butt it right up to the top of that lava lamp nail. So yeah, it kind of doesn't self-level. It kind of stays where you put it. Yeah, I'm literally just putting little blobs and turning some of them into little kind of drippy drips. I wanted some of them to look like they were floating. Yeah, and I'm just flash curing them on the spot whilst I go on to the next nail. I'll just show you doing this last one. Right, so that is all my lava bits done. What I'm having to do, I should have done this before the lava, but I didn't think. I'm going to encapsulate these in a minute and paint them black, but I wouldn't have been able to get these little side bits painted once they're encapsulated. So I'm just painting them little side bits inside in black before I encapsulate them, if that makes sense. I should have done this before the lava, but it was fine. I just had to be more careful. So I'm going to get these encapsulated now in hard gel, and I'll give them a quick file and a buff off camera. I'm just encapsulating the lava. The pink bits didn't need it. So that's them all encapsulated, filed and buffed. So I'm just using a bit of gel remover, which is pretty much just acetone, and it just gets rid of some of them harsher scratches because I'm going to paint them black now. So can you see, I wouldn't have been able to get black inside that bit. It would have left a little pink bit inside. So that's why I went in and painted that bit black first. So yeah, I'll just show you doing this one again. They're all going to be the same. And that's going to get a 30-second cure. So I'm using a silver chrome powder. Now this black gel polish, I've never noticed before. This is Madame Glam's. It kind of cured glossy. There was no tacky layer. So I just rubbed the chrome powder into that black gel polish. I've never noticed before, but it didn't feel tacky at all. And the chrome powder went on beautifully. But my eyeshadow applicator that I'm using I didn't notice, I thought it was a clean one. It had a little bit of holographic powder in it. So you will see, once I've put chrome on all of these nails, I wasn't keen on it anyway, but it had a little bit of holographic in it, which I didn't like, and it didn't look right, so I changed it. So they're all chromed, and I'm just giving them a top coat. This is Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I think I'll show you that hollow stuff. So can you see, I didn't like them anyway. Can you see that hollow? I was thinking, there's no hollow in that chrome powder. It was on my eyeshadow brush. So I decided to cover it up with Madame Glam's Silver Chrome gel paint, and oh my gosh, they look so much better. So much better. So I'm just going to show you this one. Again, they're all the same. And this cures in the lamp for 60 seconds. It doesn't have a tacky layer. It is perfect, straight out the lamp. And you can get yourselves 30% off Madam Glam products, guys, using my code Unpolished30. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. How much better do they look, guys? That chrome just, yeah, it didn't look right. I didn't like it. I think this looks so much better. I love them. And don't forget, they glow in the dark. So let's have a quick look at that. There we go. Look at that pinky purple one. It kind of looks like it's got an ombre, doesn't it? I love that the glow on all of them is different. So we've got a purple, a green, a blue and a yellow. I love that. Perfect. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. So this is the pudding gel, 3D gel thingy-majiggies. That is all the colours. Like I said, I will leave the link below. And my discount code. I'm sure it's 25%. I remember it was a good one. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you back in my next one. Take care. Bye.